Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a simple two-story house in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have a basic house structure like this, and then after that, just leave a small part of the ceiling open, like this. This space will be used for the second floor, and then next start placing your stair. Just tap on the materials icon and then go to stairs like this, and then just choose stairs that you want. Like for example, I want to choose this one, and then next just adjust these stairs as you like. Like for example, I want to make it like this. Just arrange these stairs carefully so they connect the first floor to the upper level like this. And then don't forget to add the floor like this. And then don't forget add the handrails. Like this. And then next just add walls on the second floor based on your own style designs. Like for example like this. And then next you can also add safety rails along the edge to prevent falling and to make the house look cleaner. Like for example like this. Like this. Just adjust it as you like on the second floor. And okay, that's it. Now you have a two-story house in Heartopia. Just feel free to decorate it however you like. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.